Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video, where I'll be unveiling the ultimate guide on how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. If you're a gaming enthusiast like me, this is a must-watch as we dive into some fantastic tips and tricks to boost your gaming performance to the max. So grab your snacks, sit back, and get ready. Before we start optimizing Windows 10, let's create a restore point for safety. Search for Restore Point in the search bar. Click Create a Restore Point. Then click Create. Name the restore point, for example, Tutorial King's Video. Click Create. Click Close. Next, we'll clear temporary files to free up space and optimize your system. Open Settings from the Start menu. Click on System. Select Storage from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Temporary Files. Check all the options to mark the temporary files you want to delete. Click Remove Files to delete the selected temporary files. By clearing these files, your system will run more efficiently, providing a smoother gaming experience. Great! Let's refine the instructions for automating the process of deleting files. Go back to Storage by clicking on the back arrow. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run It Now. In the Storage Sense settings, change from during low free disk space to every week to keep your system optimized regularly. To change the time limit for files in the Downloads folder, click on Delete Files in My Downloads folder and choose 30 days. Similarly, change the time limit for files in the Recycle bin. Select it to 14 days. By automating these settings to run every week, you'll ensure your system stays optimized without manual intervention. In a next step, we will optimizing visual performance in Windows 10. Open Settings from the Start menu. Select System from the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find About, then click on it. In the About settings, look for and click on Advanced System Settings. The System Properties window will appear. Click on the Settings button under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window that opens, select the Adjust for Best Performance option to optimize your visual settings for performance. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab in the same window. Ensure that the option Programs is selected under Adjust the Best Performance of section. This will prioritize resources for running programs rather than background services. Then hit OK. In our next game-changing tip, we'll optimize your power plan for maximum gaming performance. Click on the search bar, type Power Plan, and select Power Plan from the search results. In the Power Options window that opens, you'll see your current power plan settings. Now let's open the command prompt as an administrator for some behind-the-scenes magic. To do this, type CMD in the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. You'll need to copy and paste this command, which will be in description. Press Enter to execute the command. Close the command prompt, and now let's refresh the Power Options window. Voila! You should now see the Ultimate Performance Power Plan among the other power plans. Select the Ultimate Performance Plan to enable it. By changing to the Ultimate Performance Power Plan, your system will prioritize performance over energy saving, giving your games the resources they need to shine. To supercharge your gaming performance, let's make some strategic tweaks in the system configuration. Click on the search bar, type System Configuration, and select System Configuration from the search results. In the System Configuration window that appears, click on the Boot tab. Now, under the Boot options, click on Advanced Options. Check the box next to Number of Processors and set it to the maximum available value. This optimization allows your system to utilize all available CPU cores, boosting gaming performance significantly. Next, let's adjust the timeout value for faster booting. For mid to high-end PCs, set it to 10 seconds. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If you're confident with the changes, click Exit without restart to apply the optimizations without restarting the PC immediately. To maximize gaming performance, let's activate Game Mode and optimize your graphics settings for the ultimate gaming experience. Click on the search bar, type Game Mode, and select Game Mode Settings from the search results. In the Game Mode settings, ensure that Game Mode is toggled on. This feature prioritizes system resources for your games, delivering smoother gameplay. Now click on the graphics settings. Make sure the app preference is on Desktop App, and the Reduce Latency and Improve Performance options is enabled. These settings can help reduce input lag and boost FPS. Click on Browse to locate the game you want to optimize for performance. For example, if your game is Valorant, navigate to its installation folder. Once you've found your game, for example, Valorant, click on Options next to it. In the menu that appears, select High Performance to ensure your system dedicates more resources to the game. In our next simple yet effective tip, we'll show you how to disable background apps. Open Settings from the Start menu. In the Settings window, click on Privacy. Scroll down until you find Background Apps, and then click on it. Now, you'll see a list of apps that can run in the background. To optimize your gaming performance, simply toggle off the switch next to Let Apps Run in the Background. Disabling background apps prevents them from consuming system resources while you're gaming. In our next step, we'll take control of what apps launch during startup, ensuring your system boots up faster and dedicates more resources to gaming. Open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Compare apps by their status column. Identify and disable any unnecessary apps that you don't need running during startup. Your system is now primed for lightning-fast startups, and you'll experience an even smoother gaming journey. Open Settings from the Start menu. In the Settings window, click on Devices. From the left-hand menu, select Mouse. On the right-hand side, click on Additional Mouse Options. This will open the Mouse Properties window. Navigate to the Pointer Options tab. Look for the checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Uncheck the box to disable the Enhance Pointer Precision option. Disabling Enhance Pointer Precision will provide a more consistent and predictable mouse movement, making it easier to control during gaming. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Your mouse settings are now optimized for gaming precision. If you've tried all the previous tips and are still experiencing performance issues, a factory reset might be the ultimate solution to refresh your Windows 10 PC. Before proceeding, make sure to back up any important files to an external storage device or cloud service. Open Settings from the Start menu. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Select Recovery. On the right-hand side, under Reset This PC, you can see the Get Started button. Click on it if you have tried all the previous tips and are still facing performance issues with your Windows 10 PC. Remember, a factory reset should be considered a last resort if all other troubleshooting methods have failed. Always back up your data before proceeding with a factory reset. And there you have it, fellow gamers. You've reached the end of our ultimate guide to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more awesome gaming content and tech tips.